Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. What is there to do to make money online today? The fact is that anything that makes money in real life has a virtual counterpart. On top of that, there are many money-making opportunities which are only available online. Start watching the rest of this video to learn more. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Tutoring is a business that is booming these days. Therefore, e-teaching is a viable option for those looking to work from home. You just need to know a lot about a specific topic. If you're able to meet the needs of people, you may also find other opportunities coming up. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Those who have done best over time have always been the people who educate themselves. The fact that you took the time to watch this video shows that you are dedicated to your own success. As long as you use this learning wisely, you will be able to make money online in no time. Student loan.